OFW ka ba? Or may kamag-anak ka working abroad? Alam mo ba na isang sakit lang kayang maubos lahat ng ipon? Your hard-earned money deserves protection, just like your family. I know that you worked hard for your family, so don't let one emergency take that all away. Marami akong nakakausap na OFW. Some of them, 10 years, 15, 20 years na working abroad. May bahay na, may ipon, pero sometimes wala pa silang health insurance. So, nung dumating yung sakit, naubos lahat ng savings nila. Nangyari, napilitan silang umuwi, no backup plan. Kasi walang health protection na design para sa kanila. Buti na lang talaga that Sun Life has solution for this. And this is Sun Life OFW Health Protect. To get solid protection, number 1, you get covered for major critical illnesses. Number 2, guaranteed life insurance benefit. Number 3, may option ka to add benefits for accidents and disability. Number 4, plan is payable while abroad. Number 5, valid pa din ito if you returned here in the Philippines. So, money nyo yan, pinaghirapan nyo yan, and huwag nyo hayaan na mawala lang siya ng isang iglap. So, if OFW ka or may kamag-anak ka na OFW, message me and I'll walk you through this plan. And pwede ako mag-send sa inyo ng quotation. Bye!